All right, ladies and gentlemen, so today we're going to do this warm-up, and we're going to look at why haven't scientists been able to travel to the center of the earth. I'm going to give you about 3 minutes tops. Wrong thing. I'm going to give you 3 minutes tops to answer that question. Then I'm going to... All right, so we're going to look at why haven't scientists been able to travel to the center of the earth. Look at some of the stuff that we went through yesterday. Think about what you're seeing right now. Think about exactly what the scientists have shared. What the scientists have shared with us in some of our earlier observations when you're doing this warm-up. And make sure that it is complete. Okay? Okay. All right. And today is a research day today. We're going to be working in groups of 4 today after we get this warm-up started. All right. You got it, Dorian? Okay. Nothing, you got it? Why are you so far away? Get into the seat, my man. Get into the seat, all right? Get into the seat. Christina, focus. This way, working on your warm-up. Okay, working on your warm-up. All right, guys, we got about a minute to go. Okay. Were you here yesterday? Sure did. And you are now. You're right there. Dorian, put it away. Okay, we're almost down to a minute. Does anybody else need more time to do this warm-up? Because I really would like us to have some discussion. Okay? And that's all. That's good. That's good. That's good. I like that. I like that. Stop. Okay. So, since 3 of you gave 3 different answers, I need Miguel. Miguel, share with me your answer. Say it in Spanish. Nice and loud.
You say you can't breathe.
You can't breathe. Okay. Okay. So you're saying that the scientists would not be able to breathe when they go further down? Miguel, they can't breathe when they go further down?
No pueden respirar porque van a tierra. Lo que la gente no puede respirar porque
The scientists? Good job. Okay. All right. All right, Lester, again, why haven't science been able to travel to the center of the earth?
Because when you go down too deep into the earth's crust, the pressure will build up.
Oh.
And it'll crush your body.
Okay, I'm liking that one too. Okay. Okay, Christina or Christian. I'm gonna get Christina. Christian. Why?
The materials will burn because like it's too hot.
Yes. Can we put that candy away, please? Because if I see candy on my floor, you will be here cleaning my room. Thank you so much. That is a good point. All right, let me have Valerie. Valerie, share. Say it again. It's too hot. Where is it too hot at? Oh, what evidence do you see? In the middle, center, or outer? In the middle. Okay, good job. All right, so now, guys, what we're getting ready to do next is this. We're going to be looking at a video. So let me share with you. So today we're going to be doing, we did the warm-up. We're going to continue to work on unlocking Earth's interior, and we're gonna be building background knowledge. And we may get to an exit ticket depending on time. Now, this exit ticket is a formative assessment, and you're going to need this, because this will be the first grade for the quarter. Okay. I love it when my clicker is not working. I love it. Technology, technology, technology. All right. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna look at a video. I'm going to share with you some major points in this video that you need to capture. Now, last year we required all the students to do at least 6. This year I cut it down so that you only have to identify 3 different ones. I've already put it into this paper which 3 I want you to have, okay? So it's no guessing. Baby girl, I told you about the eating of the candy. I know, but put that away. Okay. All right. So you're going to see the 2 sheets, the sheets that I'm giving you is where we're getting the information from. And I have ears in Spanish too. Okay. I'm sorry. There might be 2 on theirs. You guys got 2? Okay. And all right. And you guys have yours? Okay. You got it? Okay, good. All right. Oh, Peyton, I'm sorry. I got to give you yours. Okay, good. All right. Now, I do have to turn off the lights because I want to make sure that everybody, let me about keep them on. I want everyone to see the video. I'm going to put closed caption on so that you can be able to jot down the things that you need. When we look at the first question is asking us to look at, did the scientists successfully travel to the Earth's crust and mantle? If not, explain how far did they travel. So when I see something on closed caption that may help us answer that question, I want somebody out there to say, stop. I will stop the film. You will get a chance to jot down the information, and then we'll move on. But someone has to say stop in order for that to take place. Okay? Now, I'm going to share another thing with you. This is an interview that's done on CBS.
But that ship is drilling into the bottom, obtaining samples of muds and rocks for scientific analysis.
In 1961, scientists drilled a hole into the ocean floor off California's coast. They hoped to break through the Earth's crust and reach the mantle beneath, but they failed.
Now, other scientists are trying to make history again. A 2-month expedition in the Indian Ocean has drilled farther than ever before and returned.
Here is the main house out where we live. And it's combined with the upper mantle. So the mantle in the lithosphere is out of 2 layers. Then we have this rated down. That's a characteristic, and that's something you can bring back.
So the mantle would be like the hardest layer, because you said it was made out of metal, right?
Now don't forget, you guys are collaborating together to make sure that you get the information that's needed on your diagram, all right? And I only need 2 characteristics. You see a lot of information on the slides. I only need 2 characteristics. You're naming the layer as well as finding 2 characteristics about that layer, okay? Make sure you guys are sharing with each other. You four should be turned around. Okay? Are you guys sharing your packet with them? You have to share with them. They don't have a packet. Okay? That's why you're supposed to be turned around. Okay? Turned around. You're supposed to turn as a group. All right? This is for my homework. Well, you know that part's getting cut out. We have a circle. How far did they get? They said that the Earth's crust or the mantle is about how many miles down? 1.6. They were only able to get to how far so far? A half a mile. Did they reach? Nope. They did not reach. All right, and I'm going to do this for you because I want you to see. So you have that circle in your diagram. All right, this is your circle. And according to the scientists, they said that the crust is down to 1.6. 1.6. But they were only able to get to a half a mile, which means, were they able to reach the Earth's crust? No. Evidence showed they were not able to drill far enough. So your question number 6 is, you're drawing the picture, basically what I just gave you, and Benjamin, the gum wrapper, should be put away. You should have a pencil in your hand. You should be drawing the diagram and answering the question. Wonderful. Okay. So you're going to draw a picture to show approximately how far the scientists traveled in Earth's inner core or interior. All right. And Nelson, did they get far down? No. They did not get far down. So somewhere is in that block, you should say they did not reach their goal. So this is 1.6 miles, and they only went a half a mile. And I said to the other classes, a half a mile is like going from this school up to the lake. And that's about a half a mile. So they didn't go too far. All right, they didn't go too far at all. Does everybody have this? Because I have to erase. Does everybody have this? Who still needs more time? Okay, good job, all right. So let me clean this up. Did everybody get the challenges that they faced? What were some of their challenges? Anybody can share with me, what were some of the challenges that they faced? Technical difficulties, okay? Technical difficulties. And what was another thing that they challenged?
Money.
The money. Oh, and another thing, what did government do? They changed their mind. Yep, you guys got it. That's it. They changed their mind. They decided to go where, Lester? Besides down, they went where? They went up to go science for moon, search for the moon and the outer space. Okay, so we're going to finish this.
And by 2020, and when they do, it will be the first ever historic sample of mantle.
Well, is there any exciting prediction for what they might find?
Well, again, the hope is, first of all, that you'll get a sample of the solar system in its earliest phase, because this is material that hasn't been touched since the solar system was formed. And also, this idea of life forms, this is a way that will give us a sense of when we go out to the moon, Titan around Saturn, when we go out to the moon, Europa. These are the kinds of organisms we could be looking for.
I cannot even imagine the drill bit one has to have.
Yes. And some of those drill bits are broken because you get down to brittle material that actually clogs it, and you break a tool.
And that is another challenge, that their materials, their drill bits broke every time they went down there to drill, because there's some very strong material down in the center of the earth. Okay? The drill bits broke. And that equipment is very expensive. Okay?
Well, even I go to Ace Hardware and buy a new one. When your tool is half a mile below the ocean, it's a lot harder to pull it out and fix it.
So interesting, Jeffrey, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so did everybody get a chance to fill out, question 1, 2, and 6? Everybody got a chance to do 1, 2, and 6, okay, good. Now, this is what we're getting ready to do next. We're going to look at the layers of the earth. And I'm going to give you, Lester, again, the cell phone. The cell phone. I am going to give you a copy of Earth's interior. I'm going to also give you a packet. This is where I'm going to put you in groups of 4. You're going to work with the team and share these slides. There's 8 slides in here. And you're going to try to fill out this information to go here. You will label it where you see the line, and then you're going to put 2 characteristics that are on these sheets on the layers. And I'm going to give you an example of what you need to find. We know that there's 4 parts of the earth divided. So we have 4 main parts. But within those 4 parts, there's some subparts, okay? And so I'm going to give you this, and I want like these group of 4 to work together. And you guys work with him. And this group of 4, which they'll work together. And these ladies and gentlemen will work together to answer. And the rest of the period, you're going to get these resources together. And I'm going to go around and make sure that you guys are doing what you need to do. All right? This is the collaboration work that I need you guys to do together. And one person can be the lead, and someone else can look at the slides and share, pass it back. Share their information. That's 2. It might be 3. All right. And when I give, and remember, all of this whole packet that I'm giving you, piece by piece, is a grade. Okay, is a grade.
Do we get to pick our group?
Hmm?
Do we get to pick our group?
You can work right here since you are recording for me. You can pick your group, but you gotta get in something, and I'll just keep the camera rolling. I'm gonna, all right, keep the camera rolling. Okay? All right. All right. So let me share the first slide with you, and then I'm going to pass out the packets, okay? I'm going to share the first slide with you. So you would only have to worry about the next 6, okay? So we're going to look at the crust. Okay, we're going to look at the crust. Now, that's the first thing you should identify. But there are 2 characteristics about the crust. And what 2 characteristics do you see about the ocean's crust? What's one? Say it again? I want these right here.
The ocean's crust.
Right, and the continental crust, okay? So you want to label that. Now, another characteristic about the crust is that it's the thinnest. The crust is the thinnest layer.